Hello and welcome. I'm Bradley Owen, Field Applications Engineer.
And I'm Cameron Portelli, Mechanical Engineer here at Kinder Australia. Let's take a closer look at the K-Smartscraper. The K-Smartscraper consists of extreme hardness ceramic cleaning chips for low wear rate and high cleaning efficiency over the life of the belt. Full stainless steel adjustable spring tensioner and cable system. Stainless mount brackets for bolting or welding to your conveyor or chute structure.
This compact unit applies uniform cleaning pressure across the belt and is ideal for powdery, high temperature or sticky applications. The K-Smartscraper is suitable for flat or crown pulleys greater than 450mm in diameter. Units can be installed in a single, double format or for larger belt widths in a V arrangement.
Please contact us at Kinder Australia for engineering assistance regarding your application and installation drawings.
Thank you for watching.